Hey, this is Mateo Garcia with YouTube Creator AI, and I'm going to show you how to build a video package for a beauty and fashion video or a channel. So let's come to the topic scout. Let's go to beauty and fashion and hit find trends. And this is going to give us some updated topics to look for. While that's running, let's come to the audience persona and put in beauty and fashion channel and tips. So that just kind of gives this audience persona generator an idea of what our channel is about and kind of gives us a baseline to what videos to start making. So let's look at this. It's Stylish Sarah. It gives us some viewer goals to discover new and affordable beauty products that truly work, some pain points, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of products and trends in the market, and then some suggested video topics, 5 affordable drugstore makeup dupes that actually work, my go-to work from home outfit ideas that are still stylish. So these are some great ideas to kind of have a baseline of what video topics to do. So let's save this to notes here. In the meantime, let's come to this topic scout, and it's still running because once again, it's doing a live Google search, doing live trends that give us the most updated topics here. So give it just about, 45 seconds or so. So it's going to give us the trending topics, a number one, maximalist makeup and indie sleaze revival. It gives us why it's trending. So let's save these to notes. The salmon sperm ingredient deep dive. So this kind of gives this is a popular topic for people that are doing some different sort of skincare. Project Pan 2026 is a viral TikTok trend that's gaining massive traction. So once again, I don't do beauty and fashion, so I don't know what some of these are about, but that's my whole point here is to show you that you can start building a channel or videos based on some of these topics here. So we're going to save all of these topics to notes. So let's go ahead and do this first topic here. So once again, we ran our topic scout. We have our audience persona here. So now that we have some topics, let's go ahead and choose topic number one. We can do a few different things here. We can ask our AI about it. So let's ask AI about this topic. You just have to click that one button, and it's going to give us some more information about this particular topic so we can do a great video about it. So it gives us maximalist makeup is all about breaking free from boundaries, celebrating excess, key characteristics and maximalist makeup. So this gives us all the trends of why it's trending, and it gives us the indie sleaze revival. So this is going to give us everything we need to know about this particular topic. So let's save that to notes as well. So let's go ahead and click this. We're just going to click this, and now we're going to start working on a title for this particular video. So let's generate a title here, and I'm going to just copy this, but this will carry down. Let's generate a keyword and description, and let's generate a thumbnail concept as well. So we have our topic, and now we're going to kind of get the rest of the video package going. And once again, this is going to take a little bit longer. This isn't just using the base knowledge. It's going to do a live Google search and give us 5 optimized titles for this particular topic. It's going to rate all these titles for us. So either one of these titles would be great here. Let's save all of these titles to notes. So once again, it's going to tell us why this title works and a potential score. So based on the video angle you take, either one of these titles are going to be good. It's going to give us a full description here, gives us a full video description. If you want to add some of your own stuff here, follow me on Instagram and put your handle there. You can do that as well when you save that to notes. And all these things that we're saving is going to come down to our scratch pad here. So go ahead and save any of these. If you don't like any of these items, you can just generate them again. It's going to give us all the keywords here, a suggested file name for our video. Then it's going to give us a concept for the thumbnail of what the thumbnail should look like, some suggested captions. And let's go ahead and generate a thumbnail as well. So we have some options here: pop art, modern comic, anime, digital painting, vintage film. But let's do a hyper reel. We're going to generate image. Once again, give this just a few seconds here, but it's going to give us an image we can use for the thumbnail for this video. We can create our background. So this is a great thumbnail for this video. Gives us some options for a caption. If we want to use a caption, we can change the font here. We can do the outline size if we want to make that bigger. So we can move this around. So we have a bunch of options here. With this video, I may just do no text, and you can download this thumbnail as well. So we have a title here now. We have our descriptions. We have our thumbnail. Now let's go ahead and we have our topics, and we saved all these topics. So you have 5 topics here now. So you can start with topic number 1 and just work your way down. There's an evergreen ideas. If you want some more ideas that aren't really as trendy, you can put that in here. We have our audience per persona, and let's come down to the full script. So I'm going to go ahead and just paste our outline or topic here. Maximalist makeup and indie sleaze revival. And let's do a tutorial educational video, and we can hit generate full script. This is going to take just a minute as well. If you don't want a full script and you just need an outline, you can generate that here. This full script is going to give us about a 3 or 4 minute script. Depends on how you shoot your videos. If you're on camera, you may just want the outline to kind of reference here. If you're doing like a voiceover, then here's a full script here. It's going to give us a hook. Tired of subtle and clean girl aesthetics. Today we're diving headfirst into the exhilarating world of maximalist makeup, specifically embracing the rebellious, effortlessly cool vibe of indie sleaze revival. Get ready to smudge, glitter, and go bold. So it's going to give us a full script here, and we can save that to notes as well. If you want to repurpose this video into a short, you can run a couple of these things here. If you want to test a couple of these titles, you can definitely go to our A/B testing lab and test a couple of the titles as well. Let's go ahead and do that. So these are the best 2 titles based on a star rating. So we can have our title showdown, compare both of these titles. Again, this does a live Google search. If you ever run into any problems where it doesn't generate anything, just hit it again. So it's going to give us an analysis of title A, the pros and cons, an analysis of title B, and this gives us a winning title here. So this is a great title for a how-to beauty and fashion video. So we can save that whole analysis to notes. So, and we can do a community post if we want to announce this video as well. So really within just a few minutes here, we have a full video package. All this came down to our scratch pad here. Here are all of our video titles, our video description, our video tags, and you can just copy these to your own notes, copy these directly to your YouTube video, our A/B test ideas, and then we have our chat notes as well. So you can copy these, you can email them to yourself, or you can simply hit save as HTML. This is going to save as a local file on your computer, and it's going to have everything that we just generated, so you can save this for later on. The video titles, video descriptions, keywords, file names, thumbnails. So I don't know about beauty and fashion, but with this, I can definitely build a video and even start a channel about it. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. I would love your feedback on it. Reach out to me at Mateo@youtubecreatorai.com. Thanks.